Hello, welcome to Academic School. Do you know how to protect yourself in unexpected situations? Maybe when you're traveling alone, maybe when you're surrounded by suspicious people, or maybe in any situation when you are in public place and the situation, the condition is not favorable. See, understanding personal safety is not just important. It's actually empowering, and everybody, every learner, every student deserves to feel confident and capable. That is why we're introducing the self-defense AI tool. That's right. This tool helps you to learn effortlessly essential safety strategies, recognize potential risks, and harness your strength to stay safe in any situation. To access this outstanding tool, all you need to do is you have to look for this tool named self-defense. Right? Here it is. Once you click on it, all you have to do is you have to describe the situation. So let's say the situation is that, you are traveling, or let's say I put myself, I am traveling in metro train, surrounded by men, and the train is very much occupied, and I am fearful that unwanted touch might be coming my way. Right? So I'm in a metro train and I'm skeptical and scared at the same time that because I'm in metro train in men's compartment, and I'm surrounded by men, which means that I might get hit by their elbow, or might encounter any touch that I'm not that might make me feel really uncomfortable. And because I'm girl, and because so many women, so many girls travel, in metros, train, and this can happen to anyone. So let's make this for a 10th grader girl, and let's see what you can do in that situation if you also get stuck in that situation. All right, this tool is going to help you take control of your safety, and it will help you become confident and non-negotiable, not becoming low confident, or hiding your face in such situation out of being underconfident. So here it is. It has given me some really great empowering self-defense techniques. Stay away, use your space, firm stance, very important. Elbow strike, see, it has also described if someone touches you inappropriately, use an elbow strike. Bring your elbow back sharply towards the person's stomach or ribs. Knee strike, safety tips, and then it has ended with building confidence. Yes, so take control of your safety. Describe any situation that you're into. Maybe you are getting bullied in school by some dominating students, etc. So take control of your safety with this amazing self-defense tool at Academic School. Stay strong, stay safe. Happy learning.